Hey there! Ever had your Xiaomi Mijia 1C robot vacuum that just refuses to work properly? Does it suddenly drop dead after just 10 minutes of cleaning? Frustrating, right? Fear not, we've got you covered. Watch as we tackle this tricky situation and get your robot vacuum back to its smooth operating self. So, here's what happened. The customer dropped off their Xiaomi Mijia 1C robot vacuum. They told us that no matter what they did, the robot would only run for 10 minutes before it called it quits. And they asked us to fix it, and we were ready to dive in. First things first, we ran some tests. The robot turned on, started cleaning, but just as the customer described, after a few minutes, it stopped dead in its tracks, right in the middle of a clean. Not exactly what you want from your robot vacuum, right? At this point, we knew something was up. A robot vacuum that runs for only 10 minutes. That's less time than it takes to make popcorn. After some digging, we found the culprits: a faulty PCB and a faulty battery. It's no wonder the robot kept crashing out mid-cleaning. So, what did we do? We recommended a PCB and battery replacement. It's like giving the robot a fresh new start with a clear mind and a full tank of energy. With a nod of approval from the customer, we set to work. To ensure the robot vacuum operates smoothly, we do unit testing before returning it to the customer. And voila! The Xiaomi Mijia 1C robot vacuum was back in action. Now it can clean like a pro for as long as it needs without randomly crashing out. After returning robots to customers, they are happy with the performance, as the robot vacuum now works great. Got a robot vacuum that's giving you trouble? Hit us up and let's get your robot vacuum performing like new again.